Step 1. Launch the Microsoft Word app. Step 2. On the ribbon at the top, click the Design tab. Step 3. Click the Page Borders option in the Page Background group. Step 4. In the Borders and Shading dialog box, click the Page Border tab. Step 5. Next, in the Settings section, select your preferred option. The Border Settings section determines the vividness of your border. Step 6. In the Style section, scroll through the section and select the thickness of the border lines. Step 7. In the Color section, click the drop-down menu and select the preferred color for your border. If you do not select a border color, the default color will be black. Step 8. In the Width section, click the drop-down, select the preferred width for the border lines. Step 9. In the Art section, click the drop-down and select the preferred graphic for the border. Note that this is optional. If you choose an art feature, the style and color options will no longer be available. Step 10. After selecting your preferred design elements for the page border, check its final look in the Preview section. Step 11. Select or deselect the boxes in the Preview section to determine the page margins with borders. Step 12. In the Apply to section, select where you would like the border to feature from the following options: Whole document, this section, first page only, this section, all except first page. Step 13. Finally, click OK to save your changes.